Hi everyone, welcome back to Casting Blog and welcome back to another new video. In today's video, we're going to discuss about a wonderful plan that Airtel has come up with and it is offering to all its customers, existing or new customers. Please note that this is not a sponsored or a paid promotion video, but I just thought that this can be really useful to many people who rely on the AI models on their daily basis. So I thought of making this video. Now, what the offer is, we're going to take a look into that. This is a 12 months of offer and you get a Perplexity Pro AI app worth 17,000 for no cost. You heard that right. So what are the features that it offers? Then your standard AI models. The first thing is the deep dive into thousands of searches. So you can do 300 pro searches every day. Next, you can choose the advanced AI models like GPT 4.1, Gemini, Cloud, and more. So you can choose whichever model that you want. The next, you can upload and analyze documents in seconds. So that is wonderful. That's also been included in this offer. Then you can generate visuals with AI models like DALL-E and Flux. So you get all this for 12 months of no charge, and this offer is valid for all Airtel customers. So this offer redemption period is only valid from 17th July, which started yesterday, to 17th January 2026. In this period, you can go ahead and claim this offer. So let's see how you can activate this offer, and then what are the features that we can try. And I will also try to show you some wonderful image generations and how this model works and some different features that this model comes up with. So let's get started. First, you need to download the Airtel Thanks app, which I have already downloaded. So let's go ahead and launch the app. And on the home screen, you will be seeing an option which says Get Perplexity Free worth 17,000. So we need to click on that banner. Once you click that, the next thing we have to do is click on Claim Now under Perplexity Pro. Once we do that, it would show us all the features that it comes with, and it will tell us the subscription details. So if you scroll down, you can read more about the subscriptions, and you also have the terms and conditions and the frequently asked questions. And if you want to read that, you can click on these icons and then it will just redirect you to those pages. We will click on Proceed. Once you click on Proceed, it says the promo code has been applied. I will here use to sign using my Google account. So I'll click on Continue with Google. And let us sign in. It's the sign in window from Google. Once you do that, it would ask us to give the permissions continue and then ask to download the app. So I'm clicking on download and then I'll click on get and click on install. This is not a big file, so will take about 15 to 20 seconds to download. Once that is done, the app will launch. We need to click on sign in. I will again use Google to sign in to the Perplexity account as well. It will take a few seconds. We'll click on continue. Next, it is going to redirect to the dashboard of the app. So here you have all your options and you can see your Perplexity Pro subscription. And if you want to manage your subscription, you can click on perplexity.ai. So let's go back. And you also have a lot of options and under your settings to manage your account and everything. So let's go ahead and type in a prompt to draw a beautiful scenery with two swans swimming. So this will generally take about 1 to 2 minutes to generate this image. And it says finishing touch and there is the final image. So if I have to zoom in onto this image, this definitely looks good to me. Not very realistic though, but still it looks very good. Then you have your discover section at the bottom. So you can scroll down and see the latest news and articles. Next option is the spaces. You can create your own spaces. Next is the library. So any prompt that you have passed is going to list over there as well. Let's try something else. We will not be allowing the permissions right now to this app. So we will test something else. So let's say, tell me more about the black hole. So it's going to do a thorough research and it's going to list all the details that's related to the black hole, its features, and what are the types, everything that needs from an information standpoint. So more than enough information at your disposal. We're back to the home screen. At the top left, we have the profile icon. To the top right, we have the share option. So let's check out the share option. And then it just pops up the medium of sharing that you can do. Let's close that out. At the bottom left, there is a camera option. So in case you want to upload any photos. And to the right, we have the voice assistant. So let's go ahead and approve and let's get started. I will be asking about the weather for my location right now. And let's see whether it's going to analyze that and whether it's going to give me that information. There it is. So it tells about the current temperature, and then there is a chance of rain, and it says pretty pleasant overall. Would you like more details? I would say no. That's it. So that's how the assistant works, and it seems to be pretty quick. So let's now click on the little animation icon, and here you'll have your mode of search. So you can either search, you can research, or you have an option called as labs. So you can select the one based on the type of work that you are doing, and it is going to provide you those results. Next, we have some sources. So what kind of source should this be checking from? So web, academics, finance, social. So you can toggle on or off onto those options as well. Next, we'll go ahead and use the voice search mode. It's kind of like a voice mode. So I can ask a particular query over here, and I'm asking when is Tesla launching its car in India, and I will just send this query. So I seem to have lost my connection over here, but that should be pretty straightforward like any other search engine that you use. In India and across the globe, people are more and more relying upon AI chat models to simplify their day-to-day task. Even it is a simple task or to a complex task, like people are dependent on AI models these days. And at that point in time, when Airtel dropped this offer with the 12 months of free subscription with Perplexity Pro, I think this is a great opportunity for all of us to utilize this offer and make the most out of it. So I hope that you found this video informative, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification icon, like this video. As a channel, we are growing tremendously fast, and this is not a success for just me, but it's the success for all of us, and it's a success that I give this credit to each and every one of you, because this is not possible without your help and support. If you have any questions, please put it on the comments. I will see you on the next one.